Hey there, spice enthusiasts and wellness warriors. Welcome back to Stomach Fit, where we explore the incredible world of natural remedies and health-boosting superfoods. Today, we're diving headfirst into a tiny spice with a mighty punch, cloves. These unassuming little buds are more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite recipes. They pack a powerful punch of health benefits that might just surprise you. So, if you've ever wondered what chewing cloves daily can do for your well-being, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we unveil the secrets and science behind this aromatic wonder and discover how it can spice up your life in more ways than one. Let's get started. Chewing on cloves leaves a burst of tasty sensation in your mouth. There is a lot of sweetness, a touch of spicy heat, the hint of earthy, woody bitterness, and an aromatic twist all make for the perfect ingredient to ignite your taste bud with passion. And even better, it could be the right natural medicine you need for overall health and vitality. First off, chewing cloves can help relieve pain. Picture this: you're in pain, and you're desperately searching for relief. Now, imagine a superhero in spice form, swooping in to save the day. Meet Clove Man. These tiny spice warriors, when chewed, unleash a burst of natural compounds that send pain packing faster than a cat on a hot tin roof. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural pain reliever. Chewing cloves releases eugenol, and when you place a clove near the source of pain, it can temporarily alleviate discomfort. Cloves also have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation often accompanies pain, so by reducing inflammation, cloves can indirectly help ease pain. This makes them useful for conditions like toothaches or sore gums. So, whether it's a toothache, headache, or just the agony of waiting for your pizza delivery, chewing cloves is your secret weapon against discomfort. It's like having a tiny spice superhero sidekick that fits right in your pocket. Remember, we said chewing cloves leaves your taste buds with a burst of sweet, tasty sensation. It also happens that cloves helps to aid digestion. Imagine your tummy as a busy airport, and sometimes it feels like planes, food, are circling forever before they can land. But fear not, because here comes Clove Control Tower to the rescue. Scenario 1. Bloated Betty. She's ready to depart, but oh, the bloating. Chewing cloves can help calm the turbulence in your belly, sending bloating packing faster than a canceled flight. Scenario 2. Gassy Gary. He's full of hot air, causing discomfort. Chewing cloves can help deflate him faster than a pop balloon at a birthday party. Scenario 3. Acid Annie. She's bringing the heat, acid reflux. And it's not a tropical vacation. Cloves to the rescue, cooling things down like a snow cone on a summer's day. But seriously, folks, chewing cloves can aid digestion by promoting smoother transit through your digestive system, soothing upset stomachs, and helping to reduce gas and bloating. Chewing on cloves initiates the production of saliva in your mouth. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates in your food. This initial digestion in the mouth can ease the workload on your stomach and make it easier for your body to process food. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in the stomach. They also have carminative properties, which means they can help alleviate gas and bloating. So, if you're tired of food traffic jams and want a smoother journey through your digestive airport, give cloves a chew. Your tummy will thank you. Whoa, hold on to your taste buds, because it turns out cloves aren't just secret agents of flavor. They're also undercover cancer-fighting heroes. In the disease-ridden world, spices like cloves can do wonders. Apart from the many properties that the little spice boasts of, one of the most valuable health benefits of cloves is due to its anti-carcinogenic and chemopreventive properties. Picture this. Inside your body, there are these sneaky troublemakers called free radicals, causing mayhem, and they can lead to cancer. But guess who's here to save the day? Our spicy pals, cloves, are like the superheroes of the spice rack, armed with antioxidants that swoop in and neutralize those pesky free radicals. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cloves may promote apoptosis, a process where damaged or abnormal cells self-destruct. This is a crucial mechanism to prevent the growth of cancer cells. Chewing one clove every morning could work as a safety defense against cancer by boosting your body's ability to fight off infections like cancer cells. If you think chewing cloves is anything like paradise, just wait until you find out how it works magic to relieve toothaches and oral diseases. As you chew on clove, the natural compounds, notably eugenol, leaves a lasting impression on your dentition. But first, did you know that cloves is a main ingredient in most toothpaste? Cloves, the dental dynamo. These little spice heroes pack a punch of natural goodness. Chewing cloves releases eugenol, a numbing ninja that tells your toothache, shh, go to sleep. Bye-bye gum gloom. Cloves are also anti-inflammatory champs. They soothe swollen gums like a spa day for your mouth. Ah, relief. Germ busters. Cloves have this amazing knack for taking down oral villains, the bacteria causing cavities and gum disease. It's like they're wearing tiny dentist coats. So, while your favorite show is on pause, chew on some cloves and let them do the superhero work. It's time for your mouth to be the happiest place on earth again. And if you want fresh, natural breathe out of your mouth every time you open them, chewing cloves is as good as a minty bubble gum. Hey there, sugar enthusiasts. Guess what? Cloves aren't just the spice of life. They might be your sweetest allies in the battle against diabetes. Imagine your blood sugar levels as a roller coaster ride with twists and turns that leave you feeling woozy. Now, enter Cloves, the roller coaster engineers. They're like the safety bars that keep your blood sugar roller coaster in check. Cloves contain compounds, including eugenol, that have been studied for their potential to improve insulin sensitivity. Enhanced insulin sensitivity means your cells respond more efficiently to insulin, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Research suggests that consuming cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels. Cloves can slow down the absorption of sugar from the digestive tract, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. Some studies indicate that cloves may help improve lipid profiles by reducing levels of total cholesterol, triglycerides, and low-density cholesterol, which can benefit individuals with diabetes. So if you happen to be struggling with sugar consumption or worried about your blood sugar levels, chewing clove can help put you at ease. It's like they're telling your sugar levels, hey, let's keep it steady and drama-free. Attention, liver's best friends and cocktail connoisseurs. Guess who's joining the liver-saving party? It's the spice-rific, flavor-tastic cloves. Imagine your liver as the bouncer at a swanky club, screening out unwanted troublemakers. Well, cloves are the bouncers with an A-list invitation list. They boast antioxidants and anti-inflammatory powers that help protect your liver from party crashers like oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often associated with liver diseases, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and hepatitis. Cloves have natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and alleviate stress on this vital organ. Cloves can enhance the liver's detoxification processes. Compounds in cloves can stimulate the production of enzymes that aid in the breakdown and removal of toxins from the body. Cloves have natural antimicrobial properties that can help combat infections and protect the liver from microbial threats. So, whether you're sipping on a mocktail or dancing with a pineapple umbrella, let cloves be your liver's trusty sidekicks. Because a happy liver is the life of the party, and cloves are here to ensure the festivities never stop. What if you found out that chewing cloves could do wonders for your genitals? Yeah, you heard that. Cloves pack enough energy to power your sex drive. Here is a scenario you don't want to repeat itself. Your partner is heated up and burning with sexual desires, begging for you to quench. But for some reasons, you are not feeling the rush like you truly want to. Say no more. We feel your pain as it is. Stress, fatigue, body ache, hormonal imbalance, and loss of libido are some of the things that can affect sexual performance in both men and women. But thanks to the eugenol in cloves, your sex life is about to experience a tremendous boost that will help bolster both masculine and feminine confidence in the bedroom. Clove can improve the health and production of sex hormones like testosterone, which can positively affect fertility and sexual performance in both males and females. It can boost testosterone levels, treat erectile dysfunction, and improve sperm parameters for men by acting as an antioxidant. It has been found that cloves can aid or boost female fertility. The active chemicals in the cloves are believed to increase the secretion of luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is the hormone that stimulates the ovaries to release eggs during ovulation and menstruation. Women who need to boost their chances of conception are advised to start chewing on cloves immediately after their last menstrual period, and ensure they do this daily until their next ovulation. So if you want to keep an erection that lasts longer than an action movie, or want to tighten the grip on your candy stick, chewing cloves is safer than any pill. Just make sure not to abuse it, if you know what I mean. Cloves have an aura that is proven to spice up your life, and chewing on cloves as often as you can could be the new tasty delight that helps to revitalize your life. Whether you need relief from body pain, fight tooth and organ infection, improve the body's defense mechanism, or just reassure yourself about maintaining optimal health and vitality, you can trust chewing on cloves can help you get there. So, why not add a touch of enchantment to your daily routine? Chew on some cloves, and let their mystical benefits cast a spell of wellness and wonder in your life. It's time to savor the magic of cloves and embrace their whimsical charms. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our latest video on stomach fit nutrition and wellness.